Hello children, let us start with practice set 5.4. First question, if two coins are tossed, find the probability of the following events: getting at least one head, getting no head. Sample space will be, now you know, in the previous exercise, I've explained you how to take the sample space. So S equals to HH, HT, TH and TT. Therefore, N of S equals to 4. Now the event, let A be the event of getting at least one head. So event A equals to, sample space will be HT, TH, HH. So N of A will be 3. At least one head. So only TT will not come, other 3 terms will come. PA equals to, now very important formula here, probability of A will be number of event divided by sample space. Number of event divided by sample space. So PA of A equals to here, N of A is 3, N of S is 4, so it will be 3 by 4. And always keep in mind, as I told you in the introduction, it never exceeds 1. Probability never exceeds 1. So denominator will be always greater than the numerator. Next problem. Let B be the event of getting no head. So both will be tail. So B event will be TT. Therefore, N of B will be 1. Probability of getting B event equals to N of B upon N of S. That is 1 by 4. N of S remains same, 4. So P of A equals to 3 by 4 and P of B equals to 1 by 4. Very easy, I am sure. Next question. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of the following events. 3 events are given. We'll see one by one. Sample space first we have to write. And how to write, I told you. 1, first you write like this, 1, then 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, like that. In second line, you write 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, up to 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, as shown here. It will go very easy. Therefore, N of S equals to 36. What is the event given here? First, let A be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper face is at least 10. At least 10 means 10 and more than 10 will do that. Therefore, A equals to 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Therefore, N of A equals to, number of elements here are 6. So, 6 is the N of A. P of A will be what? N of A upon N of S equals to 6 by 36. Simplify it, it will be P of A equals to 1 by 6. Next event in this, let B be the event that the sum of the digits on the upper face is 33. Means more than, what is the maximum sum of the digits on the upper face is? 6 plus 6, 12, maximum. Here it is 3, 3. The sum of the digits on the upper face can be maximum 12. Therefore, the event B is an impossible event. Therefore, B equals to null set. Null set means empty set. We write like this curly bracket with no digit in it or any term in it. Therefore, N of B equals to 0. Therefore, probability of N of B upon N of S equals to 0 upon 36. That is, probability of getting that event is 0. Next event, let C be the event that the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. First die it must be greater. So it will be 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 41, 42, 43, 51, 52, 53, 54, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. I'm sure you have understood the logic applied here. Read once again yourself, you will come across. First 2 and below 2, it is 1, 3, below it 1 and 2, below 4, 1, 2, 3, below 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, below 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this numbers are taken. So n of C equals to 15. Now what will be the probability of n C equals to n of C upon n of S equals to 15 by 36. 3 5s are 15, 3 12s are 36. So here probability of P of A equals to 1 by 6, P of B equals to 0, P of C equals to 5 by 12. Next problem, there are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the numbers from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of event that the ticket drawn is there. Shows an even number. Second, shows a number which is a multiple of 5. Again, sample space will be what? Ticket bearing the numbers 1 to 15. So n of S will be 15. Let A be the event that the ticket is drawn shows an even number. So what are even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Therefore, n of A equals to 7. So P of A, probability of getting that event A equals to n of A upon n of S. That is, n of A is 7, n of S is 15. So 7 by 15. Next event, let B be the event that the ticket drawn shows a number which is a multiple of 5. So event B equals to set of 5, 10 and 15 number. Therefore, n of B equals to 3. Probability of getting B event is n of B upon n of S equals to 3 by 15. Simplify it, it will be 1 by 5. Next question. A two-digit number is formed with digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. What is the probability that the number formed is an odd number or multiple of 5? First of all, we will make the sample space. Now here also see 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the numbers given. Sample space is written on the screen as 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9. 3, 2. So 2 numbers, then 3 numbers, then 5 numbers, 7 number, 9 numbers are written in order. So here each 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fours are 20. So n of S equals to 20. Like this if you write, it will go easy and you will not make any mistake also. Let A be the event of that the number formed is an odd number. From that list, you can make the odd number list 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9, 3, 5, 3, 7, 3, 9, 5, 3, 5, 7, 5, 9, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 9, 9, 3, 9, 5, 9, 7. N of A is coming to 16. So P of A equals to N of A divided by N of S equals to 16 by 20. Simplify it, it will be 4 is to 5. Probability will be 4 by 5. Let B be the event that the number formed is a multiple of 5. So numbers will come 25, 35, 75, 95. So N of B equals to 4. P of B equals to N of B upon N of S equals to 4 by 20, 1 by 5. Next problem. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card is drawn is an ace, a spade. So there are 52 playing cards. So n of s will be 52. No need of writing all the numbers there. You can write this sentence and you can write. So a set will be 52 playing cards. Event first. Let A be the event that the card drawn is an ace. So n of A will be what? Ace means ekka. So how many are there? 4. So P of A equals to n of A upon n of S equals to 4 upon 52. Therefore, P of A equals to 1 by 13. Easy. Next, let B be the event that the card drawn is a spade. Now, spade cards are how many? 13, 1, 3. Therefore, P of B equals to n of B upon n of S. So, 13 upon 52 equals to 1 by 4. So, first event P of A is 1 by 13. Second event P of B is 1 by 4. In next video, that will be problem set 5 we are going to study. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.